These are the best paving guys you will ever see. They use an exclusive paving technique that you'll want for your driveway. First, they spread out the concrete, just like it's typically done. But here's where it gets interesting. They start throwing gravel over the concrete, covering the entire surface. Why would they do that? Well, not only does it enhance aesthetics, but it also makes the surface anti-slip and super easy to maintain. They're almost done. To finish, they spray the surface with sugar water. That's right, sugar. It helps release the top layer, allowing this stunning beauty to pop out.